Howdy y'all, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. I'm at the Presidium Frisco Square in Frisco, Texas. The Presidium Frisco Square in Frisco, Texas, and I'm at their two-bedroom. This is an open and available two-bedroom, great looking two-bedroom. And now what we're gonna do is, I'm actually gonna walk into one of the bedrooms and check it out. So we're gonna walk into it. Okay, this is one of the bedrooms. This is kind of at an angle kind of wall. It's kind of interesting. And then you've got this huge space here where you can have, I would say a queen bed would work really, really good. That's the window, and that, by the way, it goes out into the balcony so you can see that. That's pretty cool. And then this is one of the bathrooms, the bathroom connected to it. It's pretty nice. I like it a lot. It has a beautiful shower, a walk-in shower. And by the way, the flooring all throughout is the same. It's this really nice Lux vinyl. So that's all very, very pretty. Also in here, you do have a really nice size closet. So this is part one. Let's go and see the other bedroom and bath. And I think you'll like that too. This is the other bathroom. This is really cute. This has the shower, it's got the tub shower, not the walk-in shower. Very, very nice. And then this is the other bedroom. Oh, this is a cute bedroom as well. I would say, again, kind of that queen would probably work in here. And then here's the closet in here as well. So anyway, that's the two bedroom. That's just one of the two bedroom models. It's a really pretty two bedroom. If you're ready to take a full tour, we can do that either virtually live. That might be easier to start with, or we can do it live. The best way to do that is to send me a text and just say, hey Grant, I want to do a tour. I'd like to schedule that right away. Do me a favor and set this up for me so that I can have a tour on this date. Or you could just say hi and we can just chat and we can talk about tour, later after we've just chatted and I found out about your needs. Either one. But my number is below. Go ahead and text me right now.